So for my people out there who bank with Navy Federal Credit Union and are looking for a little bit of assistance when it comes to your finances because maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck or you just need access to a little bit of funds for the time being, I got you. Navy Federal has a special type of overdraft protection service for your checking account called Oops that gives you access to up to $500. Any one of you guys out there who've been banking with Navy Federal for over 3 months will have access to the special service, and it's actually really easy to set up and could be super beneficial for a lot of you guys out there. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about this and how it works, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so that way you, sir or man, do not miss out on any good financial information that can help you out. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ismael Sandiford and you are now watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So Navy Federal has an optional fee-based overdraft protection service available to any member out there who's been banking with them for over 90 days. If you guys are enrolled in this optional overdraft protection service, aka Oops, then you guys can overdraft up to $500 on up to 2 checking accounts with Navy Federal if you're ever in a sticky situation. Like for example, if you guys have a $300 phone bill that takes an automatic payment from your account, let's say every 21st of the month, but you guys have $0 in there, then this Oops program is definitely going to take care of you up until you guys get paid or at least some kind of money coming in. Now, of course, 1, you are going to have to pay this back, and 2, they are going to charge you a $20 fee in order to do this. But when you guys do get charged, you're only going to get charged 1 overdraft fee per day per account, because again, you guys can have the Oops service on up to 2 checking accounts. And quick FYI, just so you guys know, you guys can have as many checking accounts as you guys please with Navy Federal. But anyways, let's say $300 got taken out of your checking account that you didn't have, you would be charged a $20 fee. Now let's say you want to take out another $100 that same day, then you would still only be charged just that one $20 fee. The only way you would get charged a whole nother $20 is if you do it again the next day, or if you have Oops on a second checking account with Navy Federal and overdraft on there as well. Just remember, this only goes all the way up to $500 though. Now you will have up to 30 days to pay this money back, which is good, so that way you guys can buy yourself some time. But if you guys don't pay after these 30 days are over, then Navy Federal is definitely going to freeze your account. And if it passes 45 days, then this Oops service will no longer be available to you. But if it passes over 60 days, then Navy Federal is definitely going to charge off your account, and that's something that you guys do not want. One big thing though I do want to mention is if you guys have Oops activated and you overdraft on your account, but you overdraft for less than $50, then you will not be charged a $20 fee. So again, if you have a bill that gets deducted out of your account on, let's say, the 21st of the month for $40, then you will not be charged $20 for that. There's not going to be a fee for that. There also won't be no credit check in order to do this, and you only get hit with that $20 fee once the transaction has posted on your account. Now this service is only going to be in effect if you guys actually choose to opt in this service. So if you guys do want to choose a service like this, you actually have 3 options to choose from. Option number 1, you can actually opt in for only ATM and debit transactions, which pretty much means taking money out of your checking account or even using your debit card somewhere and still being covered even though you don't have the money. Now the second option is you guys can do checks cleared through an ACH, which is basically transactions that get taken out of your account if you guys ever use your account or routing number to pay for something. And then of course automatic bill payments or other transactions that you guys use your checking account number for. Now the third option is going to be all of the above, which is ATM withdrawals and debit card transactions, overdrafts from checks, and ACH transactions and automatic bill payments. Now if you guys are going to enroll in something like this, I would recommend to just do all of the above, because it doesn't make sense just to pick one of the things they're offering. You just never know what can happen one day, and it also doesn't hurt to have everything under your belt. But this Oops program can also be a really good thing for you guys if you guys have absolutely no money in your account and you need to borrow some money for a few days up until you get paid, because it's only going to be a $20 fee in order to do this versus depending on someone else or even going the expensive route like getting something expensive like a cash advance, which I would never recommend to do. Now if you guys are interested in signing up for this special service, you guys can do it on the computer if you guys want to. You can also do it on the Navy Federal app if you guys want to, or if you wanted to, you can call Navy Federal themselves and speak with a representative and they will gladly help you. Just make sure before you guys enroll in this, your account has to be in good standing. So this means nothing later past due on any of your accounts with Navy Federal, whether it's a loan or a credit card. Otherwise, you will not be eligible. But after you guys are done signing up with this, it usually takes about 2 business days for it to be active. It can take all the way up to 7, but again, it usually only takes 2 business days. Typically, you'll get an email though saying it is now active and ready to be used. So just be on the lookout for that email so that way you guys know when it's active. And also, last thing before I end this video, obviously the days that you guys do not use this or your account does not get overdrawn, you will not be charged a fee for this service. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found value in any of this information as always. Let me know in the comments if you guys already have this or how long you've had it for. For me personally, I've had this for over 4 to 5 years now, and I've never really used it personally, but it is there just in case for a rainy day, I guess. If you guys have negative items on your credit report, like late payments, charge-off, collections, bankruptcies, or whatever it is, and you've been working with somebody who couldn't get it off for whatever reason, send an email to my business email, justmoneyish@gmail.com, saying credit repair, because I have an amazing credit repair person that I personally work with that can definitely help a lot of you guys out there. And also really quick, if you guys are looking to get funding for your business, like anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 plus in capital, so that way you guys can actually scale and grow your business, send an email to my business email saying funding, and I'll speak with you guys there. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly do appreciate you guys. We are at 75,800 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I do appreciate all who watch. I do post weekly videos for those that don't know, but if you guys haven't yet already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't yet already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And again, we talk about personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. We talk about how to get high limits on your credit cards, how to boost your personal credit, how to obtain business credit. We talk about real estate. We talk about mortgage loan programs. We talk about all that. So this is your one-stop shop. And also really quick, for those of you that don't know, I am a licensed real estate agent and a licensed mortgage loan originator. So if you guys are trying to sell or purchase a home and you guys are in Southern California, all my information will always be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.